Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your Samsung Galaxy A20s. So we have a Google Lens on this device, so there is two ways to perform reverse Google image search. The first one is by the gallery. And now just choose the photo that you want to search in the Google. Like this one for example. Tap on it and choose Google Lens and whole process starting automatically. That was the first method, now the second one by the web browser. Now go to google.com and it's very important step, remember to switch your web browser to the desktop site. Now tap on this little small camera icon and choose upload a file. Allow a permission and choose the photo like before. If you already click done, and again the reverse searching starting automatically, and you are looking for similar or exactly same image in the Google database. And this is how it works, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.